Hello students, how are you? One more interesting sum of determinant which came in IEEE 2012. Now we don't go with proper method. Here we should apply a trick so that it can be solved in just 2 or 3 seconds. So let's start. Suppose A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and C equal to 2. Let us assume the 3 values. So this relation becomes determinant of minus 2a, that is 0, a plus b, that is 1, a plus c, that is 2, b plus a, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 2b, that is minus 2, b plus c, that is 3, c plus a, that is 2, b plus c, that is 3, and minus 2c, that is minus 4, equal to alpha into a plus b, that is 1, b plus c, that is 2 plus 1, 3, and c plus a, that is 2 plus 0, 2. Now we have to expand this determinant. So we get 0 into something, we get 0, minus 1 into 1 into minus 4, minus 3 into 2, 6, plus 2 into 3 plus 4, equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 alpha. So we get minus 4 minus 6, that is minus 10, minus 10 into minus 1, that is 10, plus 3 plus 4, 7, 7 into 2, that is we get 14 here, 6 alpha. So 10 plus 14, that is 24, equal to 6 alpha, and we get alpha equal to 24 by 6, that is 4. So D is the right answer.